Hello, dear students. Thank you for joining me. Today, let's learn daily use sentences. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
May I help you?
May I help you?
Please have a seat.
Please have a seat.
It's time to wake up.
It's time to wake up.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Don't tease the dog.
Don't tease the dog.
Ow! Don't pull my hair.
Don't pull my hair.
Wear your hat.
Wear your hat.
What do you like to eat?
What do you like to eat?
It's time for your bath.
It's time for your bath.
Cover your mouth when you cough.
Cover your mouth when you cough.
Take your feet off the couch.
Take your feet off the couch.
Please pick up your toys.
Please pick up your toys. Please like my video. Thank you.